Welcome to Institutional Alerts, a web-based platform that allows you to target messages to specific users or groups using Twitter via the Twitter API. Because IA uses the Twitter API, there's a few benefits to you, the consumer. Nothing to install on your local machine as far as software or hardware, leveraging devices that you already use in the workplace, and quick communication via social media that people are already accustomed to using. One thing to note with institutional alerts is that all Twitter messages are actually direct messages. They are not tweets, so you won't have to go through a user's timeline to find the tweet that you sent them. They're actually direct messages, so the user will be notified right away that they have a new direct message. Let's take a look at how easy it is to use institutional alerts to create a new message to some of your users that you might want to send out. If we come up to alerts, and we're already signed in under our Twitter handle, let's go over to admin real quick and see how we can define which users we want to receive a message. So I'm going to look at this particular test role. Role that we have set up, and we see we've got two users assigned to this role, and these are Twitter users. So if we come over to messaging, and these are our two delivery drivers that we want to notify because there's been a wreck in the area and we want them to avoid a certain interstate because it's going to add time to their delivery runs, and we want to avoid that because that will hurt our business. So what we can do is come over to messaging and come under our account, come down here to our role that we have that we looked at the underneath the admin screen where those two Twitter accounts are following us, and we can say and now we can just send this message out, and we already know that our users are leveraging Twitter. These are Twitter accounts that they're actively using, and we can see that those messages have now been sent. And if we move over to our Twitter account of one of the users that we just sent the message to, we can see that they have a new message, new direct message, and we can see right away that here's the message that was just sent out, and now they know to avoid that area, and now you know that your delivery drivers will be avoiding that area and causing less disruptions to your company. This is just one example of how institutional alerts can quickly disseminate information to people that are following you on Twitter using the Twitter API. Another might be your school PTA board meeting was canceled or moved to a different time or location. You can quickly send that out to your PTA boards. Or a football game at your local high school was changed or rescheduled. Send that out to the pertinent people that are in charge of getting the field ready and that sort of thing. So all these different methods that can be used to provide notifications to your emergency staff, your delivery drivers, work personnel, anybody that might be following you on Twitter can now receive messages, and instead of sending them out one by one or via text or some other method, now you're just leveraging Twitter to send them out multiple messages to multiple people all at the same time and quickly get that out to your users. If you'd like to learn more about how institutional alerts might fit your company or organization, please contact sales@alertmyorg.com, and we will be happy to show you a demo or provide specific pricing information that fits your needs.